verb. We do a lot of activities in our day-to-day lives, such as we play, read, bathe, write, eat, ride, run, or sleep. All these words that we use to describe our activities or actions are called action words. What are verbs? Verbs are actions that we do. A verb is a word that tells us about an action. We can also call them as action words. Now let's understand this better with few examples. Identify verb in the following sentences. John watches television. The word watches is a word that tells us about an action that John does. So watches is a verb. Children are playing in the sand. The word playing is a word that tells us about an action that children are doing. So playing is a verb or an action word. Tim is driving a car. Here driving is a word that tells us about an action that Tim is doing. So driving is a verb or an action word. Ria brushes her teeth twice a day. Here the word brushes is a word that tells us about an action that Ria does. So brushes is a verb or an action word. The girl is watering the plants. The word watering is a word that tells us about an action that the girl is doing. So watering is a verb or an action word. So we saw the action words playing, driving, brushes, watering, and watches. These were all the actions or activities performed by the people. So these were all action words or verb. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.